In this factory tour, we will see the handcrafted wooden pot Bajot. First, high-quality, suitable wood is selected for making pot Bajot. Then, the wood panels are cut into required sizes and shapes. Next, the edges of the planks are sanded for smooth surface. Thereafter, the wooden sticks are joined together using pocket screw to create a Bajot frame. Then, the metal foil is pasted on the edges of the pot using glue. Later, these foils are precisely stuck over the center of pot Bajot, according to the preferred design. Now, aluminium silver foils are measured and cut into desired size. Next, designs are stamped on aluminium sheets as per pot Bajot. Here, the designed silver sheets are painted with a fine brush and cleaned. Hereafter, designed aluminium sheets are attached on the wooden pot Bajot with pocket screw. Now, glue is applied on the base frame of the Bajot. Then, the aluminium sheets are covered over the frame, with precise finish. Also, a plain aluminium sheet is applied on the back of the Bajot board, and glued. Later, diagonal design pattern is formed on its surface. Final finish is done to ensure that sheets are bonded well. Next, the pot legs are wrapped with designer's silver foil and attached. After that, the plastic buffer pads are added to the pot legs. Then, legs are joined into the pot bajot with proper alignment. Finally, the pot bajot is wrapped with air bubble to protect it from the scratches, and packed for delivery.